include the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge, Fillmore, Goodhue, Houston, Malheur, Olmsted, Wabasha, and Winona, and Buffalo, Wisconsin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK40. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dakota County, southern Washington County, northwestern Pierce County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mendota Heights, or near St. Paul, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Inver Grove Heights, South St. Paul, and West St. Paul around 5:35 p.m. St. Paul Park around 5:40 p.m. Woodbury and Cottage Grove around 5:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Appin, Hastings, and Prescott. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, and Washington, and Pierce, Wisconsin. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY80. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pierce County, southern St. Croix County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Ellsworth, or 8 miles south of River Falls, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ellsworth around 6:10 p.m. Bay City around 6:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Plum City. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Pierce, and St. Croix. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY80.
Okay, so I just got the Tropical Punch Prime Energy. I took a couple sips of it, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out right now. Well, let me just go to the bathroom and see. It's pretty good. If you guys have not tried Prime, you should go ahead and try it out. I guess shout out to Logan Paul. Haha.
southeastern Dunn County, southwestern Eau Claire County until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Oak Galley, or 11 miles south of Menominee, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Pitt, southeastern Dunn, and southwestern Eau Claire counties. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Eau Claire, and Pippin. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Jackson County in west central Wisconsin, northern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elk Mount to 6 miles northeast of Bay City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes. Considerable tree damage buildings. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. 6:55 p.m. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Thunderstorms include Wilmington, Nelson, Maxville, Chimney Rock, Mondavi Airfield, Mishimoka, and Elk Creek. This includes Nelson, Maxville, Chimney Rock, Mondavi Airfield, Mishimoka, and Elk Creek. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 88 and 97. For your protection, Jackson and Buffalo, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin. This is No Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pippin County, southwestern Dunn County, until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plum City, or 15 miles east of Red Wing, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near during around 6:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn and Pippin. The National thunderstorm warning for mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Medford or near Owatonna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Claremont around 7 p.m. West Concord around 7:05 p.m. Dodge Center around 7:10 p.m. Mantorville and Casson around to 7:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads 20 and 5, Oslo, Concord, Eden, Highway 57 and 570th Street, County Roads 6 and 15, and County Roads 5 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Dodge, Minnesota. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota until 7:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Medford or near Owatonna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Claremont around 7 p.m. West Concord around 7:05 p.m. Dodge Center around 7:10 p.m. Mantorville and Casson around 7:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include County Roads 20 and 5, Oslo, Concord, Eden, Highway 57 and 570th Street, County Roads 6 and 15, and County Roads 5 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Dodge, Minnesota. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Severe thunderstorms in Minnesota along the line of EAS Stockholm to near Goodview, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and all size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, vehicles. Expect people and animals outdoors will be injured. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Windows. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wabasha around 6:45 p.m. Wind damage. Kellogg around 6:50 p.m. Allen around 6:55 p.m. Other locations include severe thunderstorms include 5 p.m. near Campground, Kellogg around 6:50 p.m. Center, Conception around Brook Falls and County Roads 18 and 4. Other locations for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Wabasha, Minnesota. For your protection, move to the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service warning has been issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota until 7:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Medford or near Owatonna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. To vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Claremont around
I can't even shut
7
us
p.m.
off.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stockholm to near Goodhue, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and all-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows. Severe thunderstorm warning for. Expect considerable tree damage in Minnesota until 7:15 likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wabasha around 6:45 p.m. Kellogg around 6:50 p.m. Allen around 6:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Jarrett, Pioneer Campground, Zumbo Bottoms Campground, Oak Center, Conception, Zumbo Falls and County Roads 18 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county. Wabasha, severe thunderstorms will be near Wabasha around 6:45 p.m. Kellogg around 6:50 p.m. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southwestern County until 7 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Stockholm, or 11 miles northwest of Wabasha, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Pippin County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county, Pippin, Wisconsin.
Shush.
The National... Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County, 11 miles northwest of Wabasha, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour at 6:35 p.m. A severe thunderstorm in Buffalo County is expected to
Destructive!
Wabasha, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Buffalo and Trempealeau counties. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour with
Holy
gusts
shit!
and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-considerable
It's destructive.
windows and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wabasha around 6:45 p.m. Modena around 6:55 p.m. Vehicles. Allen around 7 p.m. Tree damage and power outages around 15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pioneer Campground, Checkville, Freedom, Highway 55 p.m. County Road around 7 p.m.
Oh my god.
Arcadia around 7:15. Ashley for the arts in Arcadia should seek safe shelter immediately. Thunderstorm for your Pioneer Campground. On the lowest floor of a building.
Holy
Repeating,
crap.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo and Trempealeau, and Wabasha, Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo and Trempealeau, and Wabasha, Minnesota. After midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severely damaging roofs and large hail. Lows in the upper 50s. Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, west central Trapelo County in west central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pebble, or 11 miles northwest of Wabasha, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Buffalo and Trapelo County's expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Thunderstorms may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wabasha around 6:45 p.m., Modena around 6:55 p.m., Allen around 7 p.m., Arcadia around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pioneer Campground, Checkville, Cream, Highway 88 and County O, County Roads F and KK, Maple Springs, and Earth. People attending Ashley for the Arts in Arcadia should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo and Trapelo, and Wabasha, Minnesota. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to...
Tormentas eléctricas.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County, 11 miles northwest of Wabasha, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. 6:35 p.m. A severe thunderstorm in Trapelo County is expected to
Destructive!
Wabasha, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Buffalo and Trapelo County's expected hazards include 80 miles per hour with
Holy
gusts
shit!
and tennis ball-size hail. This is a
It's destructive.
windows and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wabasha around 6:45 p.m. Considerable damage to Modena around 6:55 p.m. Vehicles. Allen around 7 p.m. Tree damage and power outages are likely 15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pioneer Campground, Checkville, Cream, Highway 85 p.m. County Roads around 7 p.m.
Oh my god.
Arcadia around 7:15. Ashley for the Arts in Arcadia should seek safe shelter immediately. Thunderstorm for your Pioneer Campground to on the lowest floor of a building.
Holy
Repeating,
crap.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo and Trapelo, and Wabasha, Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo and Trapelo, and Wabasha, Minnesota. After midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severely damaging roofs and large hail. Lows in the upper 50s. Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, west central Trapelo County in west central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pebble, or 11 miles northwest of Wabasha, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Buffalo and Trapelo County's expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Thunderstorms will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wabasha around 6:45 p.m. Modena around 6:55 p.m. Allen around 7 p.m. Arcadia around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pioneer Campground, Checkville, Cream, Highway 88 and County O, County Roads F and KK, Maple Springs, and Earth. People attending Ashley for the Arts in Arcadia should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo and Trempealeau, and Wabasha, Minnesota. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to...
Tormentas eléctricas.
Oh my god.
A tornado warning for southwestern Olmsted County
Oh
in
my god!
Minnesota, southern Dodge County in southeast.
Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Okay. Tornado warning.
Expected hazards include tornado and include wildfire.
Oh my god. I'm going to the basement. I'm going to the basement.
Are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes
I'm
will be
going.
damaged or destroyed.
I'm going to the basement.
Windows and vehicles will
I'm going to the basement.
tree damage.
I'm getting
is
out.
likely.
We gotta go downstairs.
The storm will be near Keyfield around 7:05 p.m.
Tornado
Other
warning.
locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Oslo, Highway 30 and County 3, County Road 3 and 108, County Road 6 and 9, Pine Forest, County Road 3 and 6.
I'm going outside.
Down.
I'm going out.
This includes Interstate
They're gonna turn the sirens on.
markers 205 and 206.
They're gonna turn the sirens on.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Holy fuck.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my god.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Buffalo and West Central. At 6:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was...
How's this guy? They're gonna turn the sirens on.
What? 7 o'clock?
They're gonna turn it on right now.
I'll go outside and take a look.
No, I got it. Alright, they should turn the sirens on. Isn't there maybe we should have another one? Okay.
What is it now?
Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Pioneer Campground, Checkville, Cream, Highway 88 and County O, County Roads F and KK. The severe thunderstorm warning for
Stay here.
Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this guy. Come on. Stay here. Look, there's nothing. That's what we take a look at. Watch it off.
It's alright, Prince.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, southern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County in west central hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Buffalo and Buffalo City around 7:10 p.m. Altura around 7:15 p.m. In Rollingstone around 7:20 p.m. Winona around 7:25 p.m. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include South Troy, Whitewater State Park, Merrick State Park, Chicksville, Rattlesnake Point, Potsdam, and Whitman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 5 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Olmsted, Wabasha, and Winona, and Buffalo, Wisconsin. Buffalo, Wisconsin, and Wabasha, Minnesota. And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buffalo County, northwestern Jackson County, northern Cumberland County, until 7:50 p.m. And 6:23 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elmtown to 6 miles northeast of Bay City, moving east at 55 miles. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, southern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, south central Buffalo County and west central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kellogg, 47 miles southwest of Wabasha, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Buffalo and Buffalo City around 7:10 p.m. Altura around 7:15 p.m. Fountain City and Rollingstone around 7:20 p.m. Winona around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include South Troy, Whitewater State Park, Merrick State Park, Chicksville, Rattlesnake Point, Potsdam, and Whitman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. 205 and 206. Thunderstorm warning. A tornado is on the ground.
Whoa!
For the following counties in Minnesota, all the basement,
Yo!
in Buffalo, Wisconsin. Building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
Yo, I think...
in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial thunderstorm warning for southeastern Buffalo County and west central Wisconsin, Buffalo County and west central Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of expected, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and also likely to mobile homes.
Alright, this is the longest compilation of 2023.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree hail around at 7:40. Damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Arcadia around 7:25 p.m. Highway 95 and around 7:40 p.m. Dodge and East corners affected by the severe thunderstorm include Highway 95 and County D, Normandy, Montana, Highway 95 and County G, Camp Dakota. On the lowest floor of the building. People attending Ashley for the Arts in a thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. southeastern Minnesota until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Grand Meadow, or 16 miles southwest of Rochester, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Grand Meadow around 7:35 p.m. Spring Valley around 7:50 p.m. Wisconsin around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include County Roads 2 and 38, Edna, York, Highway 63 and 16, Hamilton, Cherry Grove, and Ostrander. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 195 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Shaw and Malmar. The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Olmsted and Southeastern Wabasha counties is canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch will remain in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Malheur County in southeastern Minnesota, western Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Grand Meadow, 16 miles southwest of Rochester, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Grand Meadow around 7:35 p.m. Spring Valley around 7:50 p.m. Wisconsin around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include County Roads 2 and 38, Edna, York, Highway 63 and 16, Hamilton, Cherry Grove, and Ostrander. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 195 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Fillmore and Malheur. Wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, southwestern Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winona. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expected wind gust of 51 miles per hour was measured in Winona. This is a radar-indicated miles per hour was measured in Winona. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect around 7:35 p.m. Other locations affected by this severe thunderstorm include Wetumpka, Washington, and Kennedy, around State Park, Milton, This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 251 and 263. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. 251 and 200 thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. County, Winona, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. Warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. The tornado warning for southeastern Dodge County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has weakened. Therefore,
What the fuck?
thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, southwestern Jackson County in west central Wisconsin, until 8 p.m. At 7:39 p.m.,
Oh my-
severe thunderstorms were located
Bleed
along
through.
a line extending from near Blair to
And
near
I get
Washington,
on bleed through.
south of Winona, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near North Bend around 7:45 p.m. Dakota around 7:55 p.m. La Crosse Airport and French Island around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Franklin, Melrose, north side of La Crosse, Camp Decorah, Stevenstown, Rockland and County Road D east and east. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 261 and 276. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 1 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Haven't you listened to that?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Winona, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Jackson and La Crosse.
Okay, guys. So what was supposed to happen is that this thing ghost activated. Okay, this thing ghost activated, and all of a sudden La Crosse decided to make this thing actually go off. Wow, La Crosse. This is like the biggest event of the year.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail. Lows in the upper 50s.